Have you ever wondered how those viral images with hidden words are made? Well, today I'm going to show you how to create them using AI, and the best part is it's completely free. Make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any important steps. Step 1. First, open your Microsoft Word or any photo editing software you have. Once you're in Microsoft Word, type the words you want to appear in your image. For example, let's say you want the word "like" to be hidden. Make sure to use a dark-colored background and set the font color to white. Then, take a screenshot and save it. Step 2. Ensure that the size of your image is 1000 x 1000 pixels to avoid cutting off the text. You can resize your image using a website like safeimagekit.com. I've provided the link in the description below. After resizing, remove the background of your image. You can do this by going to Google and searching for "remove backgrounds." You'll find the link below. Don't worry, all of these tools are free. Step 3. Now, let's dive into the fun part. Open your favorite web browser and search for IllusionDiffusion. You'll find the link in the description below. Upload the image you created earlier by clicking on "Click to Upload." Then, add a prompt, for example, "group of dogs." You can also adjust the illusion strength. For this tutorial, let's set it to 7. Feel free to explore other features available. Once you're satisfied, click "Run" to generate your project. Please be patient, as many people use this tool. If you encounter an error, simply click "Run" again to regenerate your project. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more content like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials and creative ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I release new content. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and AI money-making content. Until next time, keep exploring and creating. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.